Example number 2. A coin collector had a collection of silver coins worth $205. There were 5 times as many quarters as half dollars and 200 fewer dimes than quarters. How many of each kind of coin did the collector have? Okay, so if you recall the table in our example number 1, so based on the statement, we have silver coins worth 205 problems. There were 5 times as many quarters, so we have the quarters, half dollar, and dimes. Okay, so how many of each kind of the did the collector have? So, so if we let, okay, we start with the statement. There were 5 times as many quarters as half dollars. So our starting point is we need to let x be our many quarter as half dollars. We start with a half dollars. So if we let x be our half dollar, okay. So then we can formulate our second variable. There were 5 times as many quarters as half dollars. So okay, so that is 5 times. So 5 times the quarter. So 5 times the half dollar. So this will become our quarter. Yes, quarter. How about and 200 fewer dimes than quarters. So fewer means this is a yes, that's correct. That is a minus. More is a positive. So we can say that our quarter, there are 200 fewer dimes than the quarters. Means that is if this is our quarter, fewer. So okay, so 5x minus 200, that would be our yes, that is our dimes. Okay, so we have our variables. We have our variables half dollar, quarter, and dimes. So half dollar, quarter, and dimes. Now we can formulate our equation because the coin collector had a silver coins worth. So this is our total. The $205 is the total. Okay. But first we need to yes, balance the equation and insert the multiplier. So 10 cents, 25 cents, and 50 cents. Okay, so let's formulate our equation. So our x is our half dollar. What is the multiplier for our half dollar? That is 50. Okay, so plus quarter. So 5x. What is the multiplier for a quarter? That is 25 cents. Okay, so plus. How about the other one? For our dimes, correction. That should be 5x minus 200. That is our dimes. Okay, so 5x minus 200. What is our multiplier for that? Dimes, that is 10 cent. And the total is $205. Okay, so if it is in cents, so if this side is in cent, the other side should be in cents also. So $200. Okay, so you need to multiply it by 100 to make it cents on both sides. Or the other side, if this is in dollar, you need to use the other multiplier, this one, if it is in dollars. Okay, so since we use in cents, so we multiply it by 100. So okay, let's solve simultaneously with our equation. So this will become 50x. Okay, so 5, that will become 125 x plus 50x minus 200, it will become 2000, and that will become 20,500. Okay, so combining like terms, so 50 and 125 and 50, that will become 205x. So on the other side, transpose 2000 to the other side, it will become 20,500 plus your 2000, it will become 22,500. Therefore, our x is equal to 100. So our x is 100. Is asking for how many of each kind did the collector have. So if his x is in 100, therefore our $half here is 100 pieces. And for our 5/4, that will become 500. And for our dimes, that will become x 500, so 300. Okay, so the total is in $205. So let's check if the number of pieces are correct. Okay, so 100, that is our $half. What is the multiplier of $half? That is 0.50. So that will become 50. How about for our quarter? 500, that is 0.25. That is 125. How about for our dimes? That is 300. What is the multiplier for our dime? That is 0.10. So that is 30. Okay, let's sum. So that is 125, 50, 175 plus 30. So that is 205 in US dollar. So we can say that our answer is correct. The number of pieces of $half is 100. Then for your quarter, 500 pieces, and then for your dimes, 300 pieces. Okay, I hope you understand with our coin problem. Let's move to our next example.